Does your office need a facelift? Watch today's video as we transform DIY's office.
Thank you for tuning in to DIY on the House. My name is Bailey and these are my parents, Ross and Kara. And today we get to show you our office remodel.
We do have a busy office. We run a plumbing company out of it. Kara and Bailey also run a web design company, and we do DIY. So it's
and I think we've had more than 200 videos that we've edited out of this office. But how this all started is we visited our family in Iowa, and Aunt Dana had a beautiful office. Then I came home and started watching Netflix and saw more transformations. So basically Ross has banned me from visiting family and watching Netflix, so he doesn't have another project.
So I came home after we got home from Iowa, and after I come home from work, there's wood on the porch. And I went, oh my gosh, it started.
It did start. It did start.
It definitely started, but it was very affordable. What we did is we went to Facebook Marketplace, found some lockers on there, but what we saw is that with the layout of our office is that we had a little too much that was visible. So it just took away from the aesthetic of everything, and we had a little too many pieces of furniture. So on Amazon, we were able to find a desk that did 2 computers and had a tower in the middle that would fit our printer. And then again, we found the lockers on Facebook Marketplace. We did a little painting. We added some new rugs, and then shelves that are staircase
stair
wood,
treads.
right? Stair
Treads. Yes.
Stair treads. And so in total, this whole remodel just cost about $350.
Yeah, and it turned out beyond. And so we've worked in it now for a few months, and we got the video together so you can see the before and after of the DIY on the house transformation of our office.
Wow, the transformation on our office is just incredible. We did take out a few things for going to the thrift store, but mainly we really it was all about organizing it in a better way. The lockers made a huge difference. The paint and the new desk, which the link is down below for the desk on Amazon. But thank you so very much for watching. We appreciate you guys just watching all of our videos. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and come back for more videos. Thank you for watching DIY on the House.
Give me knocks.